choosing the right smartphone for you. Buy smart before you start. Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to help you solve a big puzzle. How to buy the perfect new smartphone. Don't just look at the shiny advertisements, let's understand what you truly need. Before you even look at a single phone, ask yourself this. What is your main use? Are you a shutterbug who needs an amazing camera for Instagram? Or are you a gamer who plays BGMI for hours? First, let's identify your real needs. If you travel a lot, you need a long-lasting battery. If you use your phone for office emails and video calls, you need a good, clear display and a reliable processor. Keep your lifestyle in mind. Now, let's talk about the engine of the phone, the processor. You'll hear names like Snapdragon, MediaTek Dimensity, or Apple Bionic. Think of them as the brain. The higher the number in their name, generally, the faster and smoother the performance. A simple rule of thumb. For basic calling and WhatsApp, a budget processor is fine. For heavy gaming and editing, you need a top-tier or flagship processor. Don't compromise here if performance is key. Next is RAM and storage. RAM is like your desk space. More RAM, like 8 GB or 12 GB, means you can open more apps at once. Storage is where your photos and files live. Simple? No. Always check the operating system, OS, version. Whether it's the latest Android or iOS, having the newest version means better security and access to the latest features. It's an important, often overlooked detail. Beware of marketing traps. Don't just get excited by a 108 megapixel camera number. Often, a well-optimized 50 megapixel camera from a reliable brand will give you far better, more natural photos. Another trick is fake specs. Some companies highlight huge numbers for RAM or battery capacity but use low-quality components. Stick to well-reviewed and established brands that have good service history in India. Let's look at examples. For a basic budget phone, focus on battery life. For a great mid-range phone, aim for a balanced camera and a good mid-tier processor. For a flagship, demand the absolute best in everything. Summary. In summary, buying a smartphone is like choosing a perfect partner. Identify your needs, understand the core specs, processor, RAM, and OS, and ignore the exaggerated advertising noise. Conclusion. Follow these simple steps, and you'll walk away with a phone that perfectly matches your lifestyle and budget. Buy smart before you start.